This one right here got blue and gold named Smarty. Now I'm going to have a race right now. I need to have some cheerleaders, okay? But I don't ask my colleagues for help. You know why? Not because I'm not friendly. Because I have not seen a cheerleader with mustache in my life. So I'm going to see one right now. Okay? And I ask everyone here to give me a help, especially the ladies, okay? So I'm going to two groups, one from the center to my right hand side. Now this is the way to win the race for you. So the count of three, you can give me a very good testament of your cheering voice. Just give me a demonstration. Just say, Smarty, 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 the loudest you can go. Right, and? Okay, so count three, one, this is a loud one, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! You started already? Not yet, huh? You speak sign language. Okay, come on! 1, 2, 3! Yeah, joy. Oh, that's good. Okay, now let's do what Mr. Show how supposed to be then, okay? So you know, yeah? So Mr. on the count three, just say, Shanti, 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 go! Come on, 1, 2, 3! Shanti, Shanti, Shanti! That's more difficult on this side. What happened this side, okay? No bonus this year? Okay, just kidding, yeah? Okay, let's cut. Let's on the count three, give your best cheer, okay? Out as loud as you want. The count three, 1, 2, 3, go! Come on! Smarty, 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 come on! Smarty, 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 come on, Smarty, you need more, come on! Smarty, 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 come on, come on, come on! Wait, don't give up! This is a very realistic, but no primary stick. Okay. Anyway, one of my favorites right here, fast, smart, okay? I have a solution. Okay, one more. Why? Because this morning this horoscope says you're supposed to win in everything. So, one more, yeah? One more, yeah? Okay, what's your win?